Yeah, live.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir, once again. So, sir, as should I continue from the remaining part or should I start over again?
Adil, please continue from the remaining part. Sir wants us to represent from the remaining part, please.
Okay. Just a second. I'm sharing my screen. Just tell me if it's visible. Is my screen visible?
Sir, is Adil's screen visible?
Not at. Sandeep, yeah, do something. Yeah, please. Yeah. Now, yes, it is.
So, is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, sir. So, sir, as I was discussing, we have the login page. So, sir, this is the second part of the login page. So what happens
Okay.
is the user enters our page with his login details, and then he has to give his all IDs, Instagram ID, LinkedIn ID, Twitter ID, and Facebook ID. And he has to provide a working address. Like, for example, sir, for example, you. So, sir, you are an expertise on our website. So, sir, you will present your working address and you will present your resume with what have you done. For example, your DGP. So,
Just a minute.
yes,
Here,
sir.
providing the address should be
Yes, sir.
incorporate the photograph of the place, so that we will get the geolocation as well.
Sir, we will
Okay.
add a map to the board.
Sure, sir. That will be done. No problem.
Yeah, because the advantage would be that the photograph would be having the geolocation, so it will add to the. We will get not only the address, we will get the exact geolocation in XY coordinate. That will
Sure,
be
sir.
Yes,
added
sir.
advantage.
That
So
will be done, sir.
one thing has been done already for it. As Ganesh has already told you, sir, in about us page there is already a portion where we are
Sir, a
showing the
working map.
geolocation of the
Sir, we have added a
on the.
working map.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. No issue.
Yes, sir. So already on our about page, our map is already present. But sir, if you insist, we can even upload it here. There is no issue. And sir, then we
Then
will.
let
Yes,
it
sir.
not be there, because everybody may not be feeling comfortable in putting the say photograph of the house. So if otherwise
Yes,
we
sir.
are having the geolocation, then we can do away with it. No issue.
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir. So, sir, 1 minute. Yes, sir. So after the working address is added, and then as per your suggestion, we will leave the map over there. So now we have a upload your resume. So I can choose, for example, this. And then when I click enter, it will take you back to your registration page. And it will take you back to your main page. And so then we have this search bar present where people can have research of papers as per our last meeting as you had advised us to do. And sir, you remember the chatbot I had made? Sir, it has some difficulties right now, but we are working on it as per your suggestion. So that will be
Right.
ready within the next meeting. So sir, now
Okay.
I would like
Great.
to give the further portion of the presentation to our teammate Kanishk.
Sir, I would like
Okay.
to show the working of our portal.
Okay. Please go ahead.
Um, Sir, is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's getting visible. Yeah.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
it is visible.
So, sir, this is the main portal. Sir, it's the main portal. I have made it user friendly, so it looks good for the user. And sir, here is the about panel. Sir, like what is our plan and what we are doing. And this is our mission. So, benefits which we are providing to our user, like power, we are making them self-independent, increase in number of researches. We are putting best mentors in our panel, as we have already told you that day. As we know, sir, that the main problem in research is funding. So we have added an option.
This
Yes,
power जो है icon generally we use for the battery purpose. So
sir.
should
Yes.
we replace the power by some other icon? So it
Sure,
should
sir.
not look like that if we are putting some switch or something like that.
Sure, sir.
Let that icon should represent power,
Okay, sir.
right?
So, as the main problem which researchers are facing nowadays is funding, sir. So, for that, we have added an option of crowdfunding. Like, we are the population of approx 130 crore right now. So, if we say like approx 50% of the population donate just 1 rupees, so like 70 to 75 crores, like 65 crores will be there in the hand of the researchers. So they will not face any problem. And as we are suggesting, like it is my login ID, so it is showing my location. Like I'm from Delhi, East Delhi, so it's showing the map of my location. Like I'm right now in Delhi, so it's
Okay.
showing that. And here is the contact option. Like if the user want to contact with us, we have added the phone number, email ID, and they can also drop us a mail from here.
Okay, good idea.
So, sir, we will create a separate profile for every different user. This profile will be handled from the backend. So, here the email ID and password, like OTP, special kind of OTP will be there on this panel, which will user have to use for login in their application. Here, the skill sets will be there, and the languages which is known by the person. Here is the work experience. This page will be made on the basis of the resume uploaded by the user. Okay, so this is our FAQ panel. Like if a user have a FAQ, if any query, he can access from here. He can see and look for the query. If his query is not mentioned in the above panel, so he can mail us from this portion. So
Okay.
here is the team panel, and that's the thing. Sir, just wait for a second. I want to show you one more thing. Sir, as you were suggesting, I have added one more thing.
So the welcome page I was talking about, Ganesh has already made it.
Why we should not have some kind of the things, say we can say name or the module which should come as a large, say basically the attempt is not to again doing something which you are doing.
Yes, sir.
There is a question of alignment also. So how we can align the research work rather than it's going in your
Sir,
isolated
here
way
is
of
the
thinking.
sir.
Are
Here
you
is
getting
the
my
intro
point?
panel. Sir, yes, sir.
Basically, instead of the person is thinking in isolation and he is having his idea about his research work, what we are saying is please don't do isolated research. Please do the research for the larger picture. It means what we can say that this is the module, and then we can volunteer them that please join for it. So we will not be promoting the isolated, fragmented research as per their whims and fancy, as per their laissez-faire. We do not want that to happen. What we want, we are already having a big picture. Let all research should happen in that way. Number one. Number two, how we can best join the various people, those who are having or those who have worked, but they should work and align themselves with the modules, with the things which we think that it is a part of the larger picture. If they feel that whatever they are saying that can fit in the larger picture, then that could be incorporated as the module. Otherwise, it has to be modified as per the larger picture. So it is not something like a pure research is being promoted. It is a directed research which need to be promoted so that the benefits should flow from tomorrow. So this portal is not meant for isolated research people are doing, and it is not for the funding of isolated research. No, not at all. Pure research, there are n number of the bodies that will be doing the pure research and let it be promoted by the government of India. This is not the purpose of this particular web portal. The purpose of this portal is that we are having a big picture and we want to promote the research in various areas so that that big picture could be completed with the greater efficiency, with the greater
Sir, we have
clarity,
made a panel for that.
right?
Sir,
So
we have
that
made a panel for
alignment
that. I'm just showing
has
you.
to be somewhere mentioned. We can appeal
I'm-
that these are the modules which we are considering, so people they may join for that. It will not be happening other way around कि they are having some isolated idea कि साहब मैं research कर रहा हूँ and हम उनको जाके उसको support करने लगे. That is not the idea. Let it be done by the different department for those who want to conduct that kind of the pure research. It is not the pure research. It is the applied research which should fit into the bigger picture. Number one. Number two, it should be deliver something to the society from tomorrow. Here by tomorrow means the moment we complete that research. So research has to be, it has to be immediately integrated with the whatever we are doing, rather than
Sir, we have made that question.
right. Okay.
Sir, I'm just coming to the point.
Okay, please.
Sir, as you suggested us to make a intro page, so here is the intro page. Like if a new user come to our page, so the main page will be this. Sir, in this we have just put the about, benefits, and portfolio and contact. And for getting into the portal, he have to log in or register himself. So, sir, this will be the main page. And as we were discussing just right now, that we need a contribution of many people. So for that, sir, I have made something like, uh, sir, this is the sir, this is the proposal portion. Like, if you are the mentor, so you will get proposals like this. Like, these are the students who are willing to work under you and want to be the contribution in your research. So you can see their profile from this page, and you can contact them from there only. So like if I click on contact, so I can send a mail directly to that person. Sir, on clicking their name, I can see their profile, full profile, like with the profile which I have shown to you just right now. So it will be a like, there will be no contact. There will be proper contact between two peoples. And
Uh,
sir, like,
okay, go ahead.
yes,
Go ahead. Then I
sir,
will. Then I will suggest my part later.
sure,
Sir, you
sir,
first come.
like
Yeah.
you have made a research on a platform. So this is the there's a portion in our platform that research is made on our platform. So if I have made a research, so my research will be added here with the date and the author name and it details. If someone want to read, he can click on continue reading, and he can access the report. He can have an access. So there will be no communication gap between the viewers and the researchers. So, sir, time to time, the researchers can show their paper and recite their paper to the public and to the mentors like you.
Okay.
So that's it.
Here there is a little input from my side.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
consider that for your project internship, what we did, there was some kind of a detailed profile which was sought from you. We
Yes, sir.
inquired what is your qualification. We inquired about your what project you have done. Then we said that
Yes,
in
sir.
what area you want to work, and
Yes,
then
sir.
after we allotted you the module, right? Now the similar thing. See, now somebody has to group them together. Can we have some kind of the AI element in this, so that depending upon their area of interest, the group should be formed automatically?
Sir, chatbot
Then,
will work accordingly. Sir,
just
chatbot will.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
the same
Sorry,
I am
sir.
saying. Let the grouping, see, at present, who did the grouping? Your professor, Cecil Sandel did that grouping. Then who
Yes, sir.
allotted the project? I allotted the project, right? Now it is in this way. Now the same thing, it will, somebody has to wait for making that grouping. Let's say, let the grouping should be made based on your area of interest, and everybody who has shown that he want to work in this area, they can be grouped together. Then they will be allotted the module, because that is the only way to align it to the larger picture. Otherwise, what everybody will feel, okay, they are having the great idea, and then they will try to continue and push their own ideas. What we have to say, their ideas has to be well integrated with the larger picture. And all the time we have to be really worried about, and we have to think about that larger picture which we are saying. Because it is not the question of pure research which we are talking. We are talking of the applied research, and that must fit into the larger vision and larger picture of Atmanirbhar and Samarth Bharat. That kind of the larger picture has to be all the time stressed upon.
Yes,
So you have done wonderful job. Let me appreciate number one. Chatbot, how exactly
Thank
it
you,
will
sir.
be making the group, that you please little crystallize that thing. Number one. Number
Yes, sir.
I'm
We'll
just
research
now,
and we'll.
sir, I'm
then
just
you have,
explaining the functioning of chatbot. Sir,
yeah.
like if I say, sir, like you are the mentor. I have sent you the request. It will show me that according to my work field, like I'm from cybersecurity, and your research field is on cybersecurity. So, sir, the chatbot will suggest me your name. After that, I will send you a request for like I want to work under you, and in the request panel, you will get my profile, and from that you can like approve my profile or decline my profile proposal. It's all up to you. Like the mentor have the access. Like we will get the suggestions from the for the mentors and for the mentees through the
Very
chatbot.
good, very good.
Yes, sir.
What else we can do? We can indicate the broad areas available. So the
Okay, sir.
people can really, I mean, say when they are indicating their capability and in which technology they want to do, it is still abstract.
Yes, sir.
What we can do, we can say demarcate the areas, right? What are the
Yes.
area? We have said that कि टिश्यू कल्चर करना है, ठीक है ना? We have said कि साहब हमको जो है देसी वैरायटी जो है ना काउज का वो करना है, ठीक है ना? हमको हर्बल्स और उनके जो है टिश्यू कल्चर से हमें उनकी सैपलिंग तैयार करना है, right? Now those broader areas could be listed, and then they can, you know, depending upon their experience and along with their profile, they can apply, and then they can be made part of that group, and then they can be allotted the very refined जो है kind of work along with the timeline. Here we have to be very particular about the right kind of the energy, right kind of the motivation, and we should be in position to attain a positive outcome. Say, I will give the example of your own team. Within such a short period, you could have done the wonderful job, right? I am having all appreciation for your work. Now the similar thing you would require there also, that people should join immediately, as in your case we said, they cannot start coming, they have to do the literature survey. Basically,
Sir,
those
sir,
steps,
sorry to
those
interrupt.
steps should also be incorporated in your portal, which must say that anybody is joining, he has to go for the literature survey. All the paper which he has identified, they have to be attached and tagged there. Then there has to be literature review. Then that group who has assigned that job, they will create a concept paper. On the basis of the concept paper, then they will try to create hardware or software or processes, because we will not be only working for the hardware and software, we will be working for n number of the processes, we will be working for n number of the things which will come from the service sectors. So they may not be the part of the hardware, they may not be part of the strictly software, but they may be the part of various processes, and then processes would be converted into majority of the cases they will be converted into the software, so that we can get the advantage of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. So ultimately, the processes would be converted into that kind of a scenario. So you people are on absolutely right track. It is just by way of clarification.
Sir, I just want to, sir, sorry to interrupt. I just want to show you the like example of how our bot will work. Sir, can I?
Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Sir, like this is, sir, is my screen visible?
Load.
It is getting visible. Yes, now it is visible.
Sir. So like we will have the options for this. Like
Okay.
there will be options like as for now there is an option like COVID bot, healthcare bot, Wikibot, and EduBot. So sir, we have planned to add research fields in that options. Like instead of
Great.
COVID bot, there will be physics research field, chemistry research field, and other fields. So if a person wants to be the part of the chemical field, so he can click on the chemical field, and this will open a new list, like new pop-up
At
menu.
present, you can take up the whatever the portals we are developing, whatever the slogan we have already taken, like Crime Free India, like
Yes, sir.
Crime Free India. Ke then there will be the sub part,
Yes, sir.
say collection of the evidence from the scene of crime, say photography, right? Say packaging, say
Yes, sir.
how the samples should be protected before it is packed. So those kind of the things. So
So, sir, in the
those field could be then say this is the first layer, then there will be the second layer. So person can say कि साहब मुझे तो साइबर इन्वेस्टिगेशन में जाना है, मुझे तो साइबर
Yes, sir.
सिक्योरिटी में जाना है, ठीक है ना, हमें तो साहब जो है ना से बॉडली ऑफेंस के इन्वेस्टिगेशन में जाना है, हमें जो है फाइनेंशियल फ्रॉड के इन्वेस्टिगेशन में जाना है, right? So there will be a number of the dimension which should be available as a subtitle of this. Similarly,
Sir,
say
this
if you go
chat-
for the milk, just a minute. If we are going
Yes,
for
sir.
the milk rich India broad subject, then it will start say number one, assessment of the demand. So somebody want to work for the assessment of the demand of the milk today, tomorrow, and day after. It means जो है ना, how the progressively demand of the milk will be enhancing when the people will be having kind of a confidence that they would be getting right kind of the milk, and that will be alpha 2 variety of the milk, that will be coupled with our having the value system of mantras and other things also, and in the process the micro nutrients of that milk will be having a different impact on our body. If that kind of the Amritul milk is available, then probably our demand will be the manifold. So somebody might focus on just demand calculation. Then
Yes,
we
sir.
can say estimation of the cows. Then what pedigree of the cows should be there. Then we can say that somebody might focus the designing of the place जहाँ पे कि वो cows को रखा जाएगा, right? Then जो है
Yes.
ना, somebody might focus on that how that cow dung and forest residues, earthworm and microbes would be converting into a valuable organic manure. So these have become the part of milk rich India. Now let's talk of the say organic green herbal India. It means सबसे पहले then we have to जो है club it in a different ecological areas, that the geofencing has to be done, in which a proper जो है ना that जो herbal trees would be available and they will be more beneficially grown over there. Now how much sampling we need, how they will be prepared. So उनके जो micro dimensions हैं, they can be created. Now here what we can do, whatever जो है we can think of that we will be adding, and we can also allow the person who want to join he may like to even propose the areas which probably may not have properly enumerated. There may be the gaps which has not having the continuity. So they can see that this gap is existing. That kind of the suggestion could be made available. So that probably your chatbot and those kind of the mixed formulation, this tree, and that after tree there could be chat box which will support that kind of the integration. So then
Yes,
your
sir.
portal will become a little more dynamic in nature.
Yes, sir.
Dhanisht, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Sir, for that, I want to make an input, if you allow.
Please.
Sir, we have thought that like we were asking the user for its LinkedIn profile and for his resume now. So according to that, we will set the chatbot for him.
Okay, great.
So
So it
if
means
he's
the
from
chat.
cyber,
Just a minute. It means you want to say that chatbot will be tailor modeled, tailor made for the profile. Is that right? You
yes,
want to
sir.
say that? Oh,
Yes, sir.
great, great,
So,
great,
sir,
great, great,
if he's from computer science field, so he will get the options only for computer science field related researches.
great, 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 great.
So that, sir, so it will filter out
इसमें
the
इसमें
things.
अपन इसमें अपन एक वो प्रोविजन कर सकते हैं कि they can suggest the field. If it is accepted, then it will figure as a option there. Because there
Yes,
is
sir.
a maybe likelihood of the field which we may not have really considered, because the person is from that field. He may suggest that sir, this is the missing field. So he may propose that sir, this is the missing field, and then a group may decide after due deliberation whether it should be accepted as a new field or not. The moment it is accepted as a new field, then it will be available as a option in your chat board.
Sure, sir. Sir, for that he can ask us in the FAQ box or contact us.
Great.
So in this way, the flooded options will get removed, and the user will get option related to his field, and he will be more focused to its field only.
Great. Great.
So, sir, this is a contribution in your vision, sir.
I think it is a very nicely conceived, and whatever we discuss in the light, it could be modified, and something he is doing literature survey. That is one thing, and in the due course of the time, we are getting collective जो है details from various people, so that there will be some kind of the library or collection of the text, so that the people can even take advantage of your input, which is compilation, that could also be made available to them, so they can also see that some research paper would be edited by them, and many research paper may be already collected and may be available in our portal.
Yes, sir.
Because this will be basically, it is a kind of ecosystem, so we should help them and they should help us, and that's how that the net worth will be growing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir.
Okay, so whether you have completed your this or some part is still remaining?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Sir,
You have completed.
sir, we just need your permission. Sir, we just need your permission to empanel the mentors with us.
Yeah, please. We can have a meeting with them.
Yes,
That
sir.
will be great, and then thereafter, certainly we will.
Sir,
bring them.
can we host the meeting first with them? After that, during the signing of MOU, we will add you.
Yeah, that will be great. Yeah, no issue.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
we will
So
first have a meeting with them.
there could be the first level of the meeting, which
Yes,
you
sir.
can conduct at your level. Then there
Yes,
will
sir.
be second level of the meeting with me. Then it will be
Sure, sir.
followed with the signing of MOU.
Sure, sir.
So that will be a really a proper way of doing it.
Yes, sir.
And
For that,
I am really excited that we have not launched our portal, but some kind of the synergization that has already started. It is a really very good sign and symptom that we are in a very right direction. And there
sir,
will be
we
some
just had
number
a
of the
talk with an IPS officer, and he is also excited to join our platform.
great, बढ़िया,
Yeah.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही बढ़िया.
Sir, one more advancement I'd
So,
like to tell.
Please.
Sir, there is a portal paper that is being written by one of our fellow colleague. She is not over here, and she'll be writing a paper, a basic review paper for the importance of cybersecurity and the importance of cybersecurity and big data in agriculture, in smart agriculture, basically. So she's already been in
Okay.
contact with Dr. Prasun Gangopadi, who is a renowned scientist
Okay.
of geography and Python frameworks
Okay.
for implementing such kinds of projects. So they are writing a very short
Oh,
review
great.
paper, which will be published first of all on our panel, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, great. Badhiya.
So we already
Okay.
have a mentor, and we also have a working project undergoing the process. So it's going under the hood, but soon it will be published on our portal, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's great.
Sir, as soon
I'm
as
really,
we are ready to launch,
pardon
sir,
me?
as soon as we are ready to launch, we will have lots of users till then.
Yeah, basically, we have to launch it by positively by 15th of June because that is the deadline which has been fixed. So
Yes, sir.
I think till then we should refine whatever we have discussed, and dot on 15th of June we will be launching it. But
Yes, sir.
launching has nothing to do with having those meetings and finalizing our MOU. They can be done even before 15th of the June.
Sir, we
Let me
will
be
try
a
to
Sure, sir.
make
wonderful
it
thing.
done before
We'll
15.
try.
Yeah, and what we can do, we can make a list and of the institute, and we will find out their email IDs and list of the various organizations, those who would be having this kind of the mindset, and we can send some mail to them. Okay, please come and see this, and if you feel like, you please join us, because what I feel, rather than all the initiatives should come from their side, we should also aggressively try to approach them. That is a much more positive way of doing that, because there's always some hesitation. People may not be having right kind of the information. So why we
Yes, sir.
should not proactively identify the organizations that including NGOs, including the bodies, those who are working in the various fields. We will try to identify their profile from the by Google search, from this search or that search, and we will, at the time of the launching, at least the links and those things could be available right on our portal, and basically we can really write them in advance, and we will try to give them the
Sure,
details
sir.
what we are doing, and proactively we will ask. At present, say these organizations approach you that they want to become the part of it. So
Sure,
the
sir.
wisdom lies with them. From whatever the source they got the information, they felt excited and they thought that they must join it. Now, what I am saying, many may not be knowing. They might be have equal or maybe with more energy, more experience, more expertise. If we could really approach them, we will be creating a right kind of the ecosystem. So before 15, we will try to identify whatever be the way, maybe Google search, this, that, and we will try to write the mail to them, and we will invite them in the inaugural session of our portal.
Sure, sir.
Okay, and
Yes, sir.
we will be
Sure,
doing
sir.
this live streaming of our web portal inauguration as we are doing this review. So
Okay,
I
sir.
think probably that will bring a better
Yes, sir.
synergy. So please note down this point कि हम गूगल से सर्च करके डिफरेंट फील्ड में कौन कौन से जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, कौन कौन से एनजीओज हैं, कौन कौन सी अथॉरिटीज हैं, कौन कौन से रिसर्च पेपर वाले हैं, क्या वो हमको अप्रोच ना करें कोई बात नहीं है. Should we not write a mail to them and making a request to them why these people should not join? Let's work together.
Yes,
So
sir.
approaching should not remain one-sided responsibility of the other party. Since our initiative is new, hence this responsibility should rest with us also. And I feel that aggressively we should write the mails to them, and we should be in position to really bring everyone on our side, and that's how we will be building momentum. Transforming and making a strong Samarth Bharat, it cannot be done by the few individuals. Let's presume that God has given some energy that we are taking initiative, but let everybody should join and make it a very strong movement. With these words, I would like to compliment your team for doing an excellently good job. Your team has exceeded our expectation. I can see I can see a great amount of the energy, great amount of the motivation, great amount of the determination in all of you. I would like to convey my sincere appreciation for that. And this, my appreciation will be reflected in your internship certificate also, because our internship certificate, Joanna, that is also a dynamic, it is being created from a very good software, so which will be dynamically capturing this dimension, and whatever comment I am making during review, they are all going to come somewhere in your internship certificate, and there is one appreciation certificate also. So it will be capturing all these details. Another team from our our review, they will take out the points and then they will put it in your appreciation letter. So with this word, I would like to compliment your team, and good job.
Thank you, sir.
We are still having almost 15 days to do. We will make it still perfect.
Thank you so
Right?
much, sir.
Yes,
Thank you so
thank
much,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
we will
sir.
be working for the beta version. So this is alpha version. Then beta,
Yes, sir.
you start applying your mind what should come in beta version, right?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
will
With
Yes, sir.
this,
Definitely, sir.
compliment from my side. Great job, great
Thank you,
work.
sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
I request
Thank you, sir.
administrator to please close the webcast.